Hi, and welcome to our tutorial offering you an update on the structure of campaigns. In the previous tutorial, we explained how the new structure works and how you create a new campaign. In this tutorial, we'd like to explain the changes we've made to the overview of the individual metrics. To start with, we created a chart that offers a great overview while showing any trends and outliers at a glance. That way, you can quickly adapt your campaign management to suit your needs and check out the different metrics along with KPIs that are relevant to you. You can also pick a time frame for which you'd like to review your campaign's performance. If you hover over the chart with your mouse, you can browse each data point. Right-clicking lets you download the graph as an image. You can hide the chart as well if you prefer. We've also introduced the option to sort individual fields on the lower section of the page. You can sort them alphabetically in ascending or descending order. By combining this with filters and the search, you can quickly find what you're looking for, even if you have a lot of ads in your campaign. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new features. As always, feel free to send us your ideas and feedback.